Hi everybody, and thanks to attend my presentation. Well, the main topic in my presentation needs to an explication, a previous explication, because it says a specification of high-level web services oriented to provide open content. Exactly, we are speaking about the requirements the web services we are working on needs to accomplish. We run the Virtual de Cervantes digital library. This is an old project presented on 1999, which has the main goal to offer the Spanish ancient literature for free to everybody. Well, in 1999, we really don't know. It was a real adventure because IP question and so was not very clear. But well, the results. This is the main screen on 99 of the Miguel de Cervantes virtual library. The results are encouraging us to improve and to go in further and further. The main goal was to provide access to everybody to the non-copyrighted free Spanish and free Spanish literature. And the scope of the project was all Hispano-American. Hispano-American for American is the Spanish-speaking world in Spain, not only in Castilian, but Catalan and Galician and so on. And of course, all Ibero-America who speak Spanish, including the USA or Canada and people who speak Spanish in those countries. We started in 1999 with 3,000 documents. Most of them were documents written in XML using the encoding TEI initiative. Now, in 2010, we have more than 70,000 documents, 8,000 in XML, because we think that this is the best format, but it is the expensive one. And the other ones are in PDF with text. They are in HTML and other kinds of formats. Only to see the progress, this is the number of pages served from our servers during the last 10 years. There is a peak around 2008, no? But we think that in 2010 we reached very near from this point. No? But this is a very high progressive tendencies. The people who is using our library proceed mainly from Spain, of course. But notice that there are the second, this is non-resolved addresses, URLs, internet URLs. But take notice that, take in account that the US people are the second main group using our digital library. Because probably there are a lot of Spanish people or people who is learning Spanish and needs access to a more Spanish document that they have around in the neighborhood they are living. Now in 2010, this is the picture, a screenshot of the actual library, the present library. Now we have changed everything. In 2009, we feel that we need to rebuild, to reborn the digital library, to rewrite all the code and to revisit all the IP question, to rethink the whole idea. And we did a strategic plan trying to see the future and to give some directions to build the new digital library for the next 10 years. The main statement about the infrastructure was to use a layer architecture. We developed some years ago for educational purposes called LoRa, Learning Object Repository Architecture, but with a more wide scope. We call it DORA, Digital Object Repository Architecture. Well, this layer architecture was based on different layers who interchange information between them in the sense that you can change the layer, one of the layers, without change of the whole library, of course. And it uses, to interchange information between the layers, a service-oriented architecture, mainly web services. Well, this is a main picture, like a picture of the different layers we have built for the library. Well, I said we have built because next 4th of December we will relaunch the new library. At present is the older one. You can see the older one, but next December you will see the new one library. No? And notice this. Well, it's in Spanish. Is the library layer is formed with some PHP and Java functions, specifically designed to make more easy than to use the web services for different specific clients. For example, the next presentation layer will use the PHP functions we have wrote for it, specifically for it. It means that we can build a new set of PHP functions to make more easy, not to attack the whole library. But anyway, the web services layer is fully documented, and you can use the web services if you have authorization for some of them, no? To build your own application, for example, for mobile equipment and so on. But the Virtual de Cervantes, the digital library, is a repository of educational resources. Well, this is a question we had, because in the very beginning it is only books of ancient literature we digitalize and we offer. We had not built anything about this. No? But Spanish literature is a topic in all Hispanic schools, and the users are providing feedback to us in the sense that they are using our document for educational purposes. And it encourages us to build some specific educational tools. For example, a quiz creator application, you can put a piece of text in making a research in the whole text of the whole library, and then you need to illustrate something. You need to make a question using this paragraph, for example, from Quevedo, from Cervantes, and so. And then you can delete some words, and you can make a full the blank space, or through our false questions and so. And it creates a SCORM objects you can download and you can import in your LMS. But anyway, this is a screen, the main screen of this tool. But anyway, this is a closed environment, because you are entering in our services, that the thing we have built, and then you are in our field. You are not in your own field, and this thing is changing now, because the new way to learn is to create your own personal learning environment. And then this is the field of the student. This is the thing that the student needs to create probably guided by the teacher, but this is the thing the student needs to create to take the better of the resources they are using. But the good thing about personalized learning environments is that everybody has one of these. There are a lot of different, lots and lots of different ways to build learning environments and to conceive and to concept the learning environments. There are lots. But what is the common point? The common point is that all of them uses different kinds of gadgets, of applications, to access the information and to change the information to present the information to the student. And this is that we have done, to create a layer specifically addressed to present the information in the way the different personalized learning environments can need to present, need to use. Well, the web services we have created are oriented or to the social web or to the semantic web. Only a very, very short view of the services, because all of these are the next slides are the requirements we have prepared for those services. The services are nested one in each one. Basic are the core of the system. The social uses the basics, but provides the way to use it in an educational way. All of those services are different services we have created. They are fully documented in our web. Probably in the next months we will publish all the requirements for the web services, and then if you are an authorized developer, then you can use the web services directly to create everything in your personalized learning environment. There are a lot of different, well, I want not to bore you using this, showing this, but anyway, let's go to the latest. The next step, this is probably the work we will do in the next year, in the second semester of the next year, is to introduce the semantic web as a web services by creating the URI for each document in our library, to publish our main catalog using RDF triplets, and to create in an automated way the RDF triplets from more than 400 different portals, different websites we have created using our academics in the university or in a university related with us around the world. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any questions?